How to fix Minecraft OpenGL error. 1. Download the latest graphics driver updates using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Disable unnecessary mods. Or, check the .minecraft\mods folder at %appdata%. 3. Remove shaders from Minecraft. Backup and delete items at .minecraft. Resource packs shader packs. 4. Temporarily disable advanced OpenGL in Minecraft video settings. 5. Adjust in-game settings. 6. Update the Java version. 7. Uninstall then reinstall Minecraft.